pull up in all type of cars, I'm serving them straight out the jar. The UFO is parked, the bitch we come straight from Mars.
For real?
I tell them meet me at the corner store. I make a play and then I gotta go. I got that Wendy's, that's a 4 for 4. I got that fast food for a hoe.
Whoa, what's good, man? Boy, KD, man, coming y'all get with another video minute time. MGK StarMan, ready here. I ain't gonna fake y'all. I really just been in the mood, like, from MGK. Like, since I've been back, I really ain't heard no MGK. I really ain't heard nobody, but MGK was one of the person I was doing before I took my little hiatus. You know what I'm saying? And I was I was moving around and transforming it, whatever you want to call it. I was listening to a lot of MGK, and I actually like MGK. I think MGK really tough as fuck. For real, I really think he tough. But I haven't heard him in a couple months, though. I haven't heard him in a couple months, so this just something I've seen a lot of y'all listen to. A lot of y'all like it, and I just wanted to hear what kept playing. You feel what I'm saying? So I just want to hear it. So MGK StarMan, ready to hit. Let's get it.
Terrified how I'm gonna look when I'm old. I can't even see you cause the room's full of smoke. I don't wake up until the sun gets low. 7 billion people, but we all die alone. So I want something else to get me through this. Send me some kind of life. Baby, I want.
Man, MGK, boy, I forgot how you sound, dog. Oh, I forgot how you sound, like, for real. Like I already said, that man sound like lead singer of the band, dog. That man, the way he sound, dog. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I see why people like you. I see why I fell in love with you, pause. I see why I became a fan of you. That voice, man. That voice, hell. That sound. Damn. Oh, beat change. I ain't gonna fake. MGK, dog, you really be giving like that. I can't explain it. Like, you really like, I don't know. It's your sound, dog. It's the way you sound, dog. That just sound tough to me. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I can't even put in the words like talking about, but I like the beat change in it. I like the up tempo. I like the way you sound in it. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I feel so. I thought it was gonna be slow at first. Oh, another beat change. What you been hearing, man? I ain't gonna fake MGK. I ain't gonna fake. I was recently like that too. Like missing somebody. But the more you get away from that person, the more you distance yourself from them, the better you get, I see. Cause I was the same way. Trying to listen to a friend group, trying to see what they talking about me or what. Yeah. Fuck yeah, been there, nigga. Been there trying to listen. Definitely been there. Just smooth as hell. It's definitely giving punk rock for sure. But hey, it's like, I don't know, like, it's not too harsh. It's not too like guitarish. It's like it's I fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? It just tolerable if that's something to say, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with it. I like it. I like it a lot too. It's different. It's different what I normally listen to. That's what I keep doing. That's why I keep doing for MGK videos. I love to hear that different shit. That beat tough. Them sounds. When you got the right sound, I ain't gonna fake, when you got the right beat and the right sound, man, it's like you just can't do number 5, man. Like, don't tell them what it is, don't matter what it is. Don't even matter what it is. If you just vibing to it, nigga, you tough. Fuck with MGK. Fuck with, hey, y'all leave y'all favorite MGK songs in the something I done missed. Cause I know I done missed a lot. So y'all just leave y'all favorite MGK song in the comment. I heard you about some new shit. I might go check that out. Y'all leave that in the comments. So just fuck with me, man. But till next time that video, man. Long live Cook.